today we have the Zuru 5 Surprise Foodie Mini Brands. Let's open them up. How many surprise balls in there?
3.
We have 3.
Untitled Chapter 3.
Foodie Mini Brands. It's the Zuru 5 Surprise Foodie Mini Brand. So we gotta pull this. Plastic wrapper. And open it up. Crack it. Yay! What's inside? There's 5. There's 5 drawing bags.
I'm gonna open this.
Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at that. Onion rings. White Castle onion rings.
Blue hamburger.
What is it? Oh, hamburger.
Let's see the yellow
Friday's hamburger. It looks yummy. The hamburger looks yummy.
I feel like I want to eat a real hamburger from McDonald's.
Yeah. Oh,
I opened it.
I got a Foodie Mini Brands paper bag. So we can put the groceries in there.
And me too.
Does this one close? Oh, this one closes. So you can keep your hamburger in there.
Yeah.
Oh, she's got another one. Wacky pack
Wacky.
paper bag. Oh.
Welcome to hamburger. I'm gonna crack
And
it.
then you can crack that. Or the bag. A lot of Foodie Mini Brands blind bags.
Wow.
Oh, another White Castle. We have parties, drinks. Sushi. A tray of sushi. Oh, look at this, a foot long. That's cute. It's a big sandwich. Yeah.
What was that? Something big inside.
Looks like a big tray or something. Oh, it's pot stickers. Look at there's pot stickers, I think, or empanadas. And there's the sauce. And we can close it. Nice. We got one more bowl to open. One more bowl. Last one.
I'm gonna crack it, okay?
Yeah. Okay, let's set this aside.
Oh, boy bag!
Nice.
Oh, one bag.
Let's see what's in there. Oh, it's a different type of sushi. That's cute. So this is all the pieces that you can find with all the surprises. There's a lot of them. What is it? Oh, it's a Foodie Mini Brand tray.
But it doesn't have any food.
No, but you can put stuff on it. So you put this
Ah.
and you can carry it around.
It's so daddy.
Yeah.
Oh, I can see something. I can see something.
What is it?
I know, but it's so surprise.
A surprise! Oh, another foot long. What? So we got 2 foot long.
Oh my, guess what it is again? Cupcake.
Oh, nice.
I'm so excited. Soda pop.
What's that? Oh,
Soda pop.
Soda pop. Ice cola. We got the Sonic milkshake. That's all we got.